Hey friends, in today's video, I'm showing you a super quick and easy way to install butterfly locks. I found that it's easier for me to do most of my head off camera and save the last for a video. And then I'm going to go in with Camille Rose's Almond Joy Twisting Butter. It's one of my absolute favorite moisturizers. It's not sponsored, but it really ensures hydration and longevity when I have protective styles. Then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of edge control. This is my favorite by Silk Element, and I just like to smooth out the roots, and it just helps me to ensure a nice neat braid, especially when I am crocheting my hair. So I'm just going to braid it all the way down to the end, make sure it's nice and hydrated at the end. And then I have my two braids. Today I'm going to be using Lulu Tresses Water Wave in 14-inch. This is what the hair looks like. I'm using 14 inches because I wanted a bob style. The next thing I'm going to do is just gently fluff out the hair and align it with the length that I want. So now that my hair is prepared and the extensions are prepared, I'm going to use a standard crochet needle. I'm going to go in with the extensions, add them to the hook, close the latch, and pull them through. And once you pull it through, you're going to begin to just remove the other side so that the hair is laying even and flat on both sides like so. According to your desired length, because I want mine as a bob, I pulled it a little bit shorter on one side, and then I just used the longer side and just began to wrap. Because it's butterfly locks, they're distressed, they're funky, they're boho, and all those cool things. It's no rhyme or reason. The main thing you want to make sure you do is just get the roots nice and taut when you start wrapping. So I wrap that area like 2 or 3 times, and then I start working down my braid. Now when you get to the very end, what you're going to begin to do is flip the hair back up, make a little loop-de-loop, and wrap the hair back up the twist. So you don't need to burn it, you don't need to cut it, you don't need to trim it. And I even like to leave a few curls out to give that super cool vacation look. So this is what it looks like, as you can see where I folded the ends up. And this is a trick. If it's not giving you the distressed look that you like as you twist it, you can just go in and distress it yourself. Super easy, super quick. It's just a cute little style. So in total, this took me about 3 hours to do, but now it's time for them edges. So I'm going to be using Silk Elements again. I just like to add a little bit of edge control. I actually didn't even pull my edges too tight into the twist, just so that I don't have extra tension and those little pimples and bumps and all that stuff. We want to make sure we got some edges when the summertime comes, girl. So we leave those out, and then I'm just going to do a few little swoops, pull the side pieces out, and that's it. And this is the completed look. So I kept this look in for about a month. It was super easy to do. It was my first time doing it on myself. As you can see, the front is longer, the back is shorter. It's a nice workable bob length. I think it's cute. I think it's attractive. I think it's sexy. I think it's feminine. So if you're not new around here, you know I always got to put on some clothes and hook up the look. So now that I'm feeling myself, let's do some styles. So this is a bungee. I typically use bungees on set. It has a metal hook at the bottom and at the top. So it's super easy, especially when I work with models and clients where I have to take the hair up and then take it down. It's a lot easier than ponytail holders, which pull the hair. With butterfly locks, because they do tend to cling together, girl, get yourself some bungees. Don't waste a lot of time with no ponytail holders. So we got a cute little half up, half down. So we're going to do another half up, half down, but this time we are going to do a bun style. So I'm just going to put it in a bun as usual. You can use bobby pins for this, but since I was in a bungee mood, I'm going to put the bungee in place, and that's it. Super quick, super easy, super simple. And for the very last look, I'm just going to add this bedazzled, bejeweled headband just for a little glitz and glam. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section below. I will be in the back by the snacks. And if you dig me, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm not doing a lot with these things because the nature of them and the way that you do them, it just makes them catch on everything. And who has the time? Do you? Because I don't. Love y'all.